na sauti moja.
Maleo lakteche 100 kod jochiw thieth ne yengo ma lihumbru oriwore kamoro achiel mar yudo puonj ewi lony manyasani ewi yengo ma kamano kaka achiel kuom yore thiro pek ma jotuo yudo kamanyo thieth e pinje maoko. Kane gilose chenro mano ba kod kar thieth mar life care, lakteche mawuok e kar thieth ne golo lony margi ewi thieth mar lihumbru kendo yango ni kata bedo ni thieth ma kamano ni malo, to kuma mag thieth kaka NHIF okawo tinggi hata malo 70. Kalure gi jatije kar thieth no Manish Kala ne obago chenro ma kamano mondo mi lakteche mawuok e gwenge makono ng'eyo lony manyasani ewi tuono, ka bende ne en chenro matudo osiptande ji giwegi kod mag piny owacho ewi lony ewi thieth ma kamano.
We have started doing endoscopic spine surgeries, minimum invasive spine surgeries under local anesthesia, scoliosis and kyphotic deformity surgeries, which was not available in the country. Now we are doing it here because bringing the cutting edge technology nearly. Also, we are, as an individual, I have also started doing the ankle replacement surgeries, and we are doing the elbow replacement surgeries and shoulder replacement surgery widely. Yeah, cost-wise, it is a little bit higher cost than the previous surgeries, definitely, because this is the higher advanced technologies. But the good thing is that our NHIF and all the local insurances have also started accepting it and giving around 80 to 70% of that cost. So patients has to just put the pocket for 20 to 30% top up only.
I believe that tomorrow definitely Kenya is going to be one of the pioneers as far as healthcare is concerned. So the important part is to give the awareness to the people that yes, we are here, we do have the skills, we do have the armamentarium, and we are very much ready to cater whatever it comes our way.
In medical schools, since we know that medicine is an apprenticeship, so as new skills come up, they are introduced in the curriculum. So I'm sure that even as the new skills come up, they will be included in the curriculum so that we continue producing the wholly rounded doctors.
Ramogi TV